Hey friends, I hope you're doing well. All is well with me, and today I want to bring you a new What's Cooking in Notion to Anki version 0.5.16. I had to read that off on the script there. So the first thing that changed was, if you head on over here to create, is this upload thing here. So if you click the upload, you select the file. In the previous version, when you clicked settings, we would forget the file and you had to select it again in order to upload. But that's not the case anymore because we changed the settings page to become a modal. This way you can change your settings and then go back and just click convert if you had selected a file before. So it's not forgotten. That was the thing I promised to fix last time. And yeah, so I'm actually going through all of the settings and slowly making YouTube videos specifically on these single options and so on. That's the first thing that changed. And there was some bug fixes. If I resize the view, you see it turns into a mobile type view. And previously when you clicked create, it wouldn't close it, but now it does close it. So that was a bug that was fixed. You could have some special characters in the page name that would create an error. That's resolved now. And also the email sign up, which used to pop up somewhere here, is back. I accidentally removed it a while back, so we didn't have that many people signing up to the email list. Yeah, and this change, it's not on the live version, but I still want to show you this change. So if you head on over to the dev server, dev.toanki.net, there will be a link in the Patreon post. So here you click settings and then you scroll to, and then you should see a button here, edit template. Then when you click that, you get into the template manager where you can see the styles and then edit them, right? Oh, there's the pop-up now. So yeah, this will work. It will change your style. So you can go in and make your adjustments or overwrite everything. But please note that you can't change the fields. You can change the front and back template, but the fields are not exposed yet. I hope to expose them sometime soon. And also the preview. I decided last minute to remove the preview because I couldn't get it working reliably. It wasn't that nice. And yeah, so I think we're probably going to make a few more changes to this. Like, for example, the width here seems to be a little bit excessive. Probably going to fix that and then get this out for you. So yeah, please test it out on the dev server using a separate profile. If you don't know how to use a separate profile, let me show you how to do that quickly. So here's my Anki, and you can see I have profiles when it starts up. So I could click here, create a new profile. Let's say 21 test. Open that one, and then you get a separate Anki. Let me just click update there. You get a separate profile, so it's isolated. Or you could also head on over here to the switch profile. There's a shortcut there, switch profile. And then you can see here and then click add. So I recommend using a separate profile. That way you're not going to mess with your local setup and you can still contribute by testing. So if you have time, please do try it out and give me some feedback. And when you're done, you can just go back to create and then settings and then hit the red clear button there. And then it's going to delete that template you created if you don't want to use it anymore. That's what's cooking in Notion to Anki. And if you have any questions, feedback, let me know. Until next time, happy learning. Bye.